Okay, we're going to give this a shot. So, I just want to give you a quick update on how we're improving GeoXplorer with a lot more models these days. Firstly is the main menu page, and you can see remnants of Hurricane Florence just there sitting over top of what looks like Southern Virginia, North Atlantic, and obviously these disappear as you go in and out. All the Earth-based models are still there, but what I want to show you is actually over on Mars. So here's Mars. Again, same setup as the Earth. The Earth is actually right behind me, still there. These are all the landing sites, and there's InSight where it's going to land in a few months' time. What I've also got up here is an extra little button, because with a bit of inspiration from a guy called Matt Brearley in his area browser, I've tried to actually get all of the HiRISE that's based on the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, all that high-resolution digital terrain imagery and meshes. So there's 550 of them, which makes it a lot of models, and I can't really do it the same way as I have the other icons. But what I've done is devised this zone selector type thing. You can see it with the disk. So when it's on Mars, you can see a disk appears around the cursor. I can select a group that turn blue, and it produces a list of all models that have just turned blue. I can then select one of those models, and it loads up at the model selector as if it's just been downloaded, same as what the Earth-based ones. Okay, so there it is. This is the edge of a crater wall somewhere on Mars. HiRISE satellite imagery on top of the DEM. I can add some manipulation to it. So I can move it into the room, make it bigger, rotate it, all the usual stuff. And then there's also this thing, which is the color altimetry. So it's downloading another image texture. It essentially just overlays a height map on top of the, in this case, the edge of a crater. Colors indicate height, and there's a little scale bar over there. So let's turn that off, turn that off. There's the Mars Rover, which actually, if you select it, will start doing stuff. Accidentally, I said a keyword that set it off. I don't know which one it was, but it's made it appear. Rover. Remove. 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 There we go. Sorry about that. So let's go back, and it takes it back to there. We can select another model, and again, this is all sitting on our server that we can access and update whenever we want. There it is. Downloads the satellite image, puts it in the room. We can go over to it, have a look. This is supposed to be inflation features. Okay. Looks very inflated. Again, we can do a color map with a scale. So there's only about 100 meters of elevation change on this one. Okay, so that's all the things we can do. So 550 odd new models from Mars.